Hello everyone. Recently, I've been invited to SMT, a leading global developer of minimally invasive cardiovascular devices, where I had the amazing opportunity to witness how a cardiac stent is manufactured. Chest pain, heart attack, stent placement are terms we hear in a day to day life. So, I wanted to give you all a small glimpse of how a stent looks like, its uses, and its manufacturing process. Heart attack occurs when flow of blood to your heart is severely reduced or blocked. A stent looks like a tiny coil of wire mesh which can support the walls of your artery and prevent it from re-narrowing. This stent is guided through a blocked artery where a balloon inflates and spring-like stent expands and locks itself in place inside the artery and stays permanently to improve blood flow to your heart.
Totally amused and I think mind blown over by the kind of atmosphere that I've seen here today, and I can absolutely say that actually it's engineers who are saving lives here and supporting the work of doctors, without whom without their help, I don't think even doctors could be doing what they're doing right now today. And I've seen the intricacies and then the complications that happen while making the stents and all. So right from the basic of like how the product is got here, and then the basic raw material, and how that raw material, the pipes are made into like small delicate structures, and then the laser technology which is used to like cut them into and then into delicate structures, and then the vibrations used to like break them down into the product that they need. And later on we went into a process where like the metal is actually being tested like twice and thrice. They break it and they make sure that you get the right product here, and the drug coating. And I'm totally amazed by the step-by-step process and the kind of like atmosphere they've created here, and each and every lab, and the workers here, the way they are working here with a lot of dedication. And I just would like to like thank them for giving us this amazing product to all of us. And I think they have been total lifesavers. Thank you SFT for giving us this opportunity and giving us this life-saving equipment. And it's a lot of your effort that is saving millions of lives, which is actually your motto.
So the first step is essentially we take the plastic tube and again with the machine we stretch the tube just to get that indentation. Then on that indentation, essentially we'll apply a combination of heat and pressure until basically this balloon forms, the shape of the balloon.
So this became like that.
Yes, this eventually became this.
So me being a doctor for so many years, I've never seen how an actual stent looks like. So I'm so amazed by this. It is so delicate here, and it's made so intricate, like it looks like a diamond chain, like it's that delicate and that intricate. And when it goes into you, and then after putting the balloon catheter, that's how it expands. So it's this minute. And I'm not allowed to touch this, but yes. So this is the artificial valve which is placed in the aorta, and it functions just as like your real valve, the aortic valve. And guess what this is? So we hear a lot about ASDs and VSDs, the septal defects. So this is something which covers up the septal defects, and it's very flexible, and it goes through a lot of steps to get to this process. And I heard like there is a company in Thailand, right? Thailand, like, so they do it very delicately with a lot of intricate works with handmade stitches and all. And this is how it comes up finally, and then it's very flexible. It initially opens up this way, and then the second one opens up and finally closes your ASDs and VSDs. So thank you SMT, and I'm sure you're going to do great and save many more millions of lives, and at the same affordable and accessible price to all of us.